Creating 3D animated stories is now very easy with AI. In today's video, we will go through the steps and animations from creating the scripts to generating the voiceovers and finally putting everything all together. And as a bonus, I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to create talking animations for completely free.
I hope you liked the video.
And don't panic, because everything I'll be showing you guys today is completely free. If you have any questions or difficulties, please do share them in the comment section. And also feel free to join the WhatsApp group with the link in the description below. Before we get started,
please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The first thing you want to do is create your script. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short kid story about a certain topic. Specify that each scene should be just about 4 seconds long. I used a boy exploring a bamboo forest, but feel free to add your own theme to your script. Secondly, you want to ask ChatGPT to go further to generate prompts for another video AI to generate animated video scenes for each scene. And again, the results are wonderful. For the voiceover section, you want to just copy the entire story from ChatGPT and head over to ttsfree.com, one of the best text-to-speech softwares out there. And you want to paste it into the input box section and then navigate over to Mitchell, because she is the best and most realistic AI voice on here. And now you want to hover onto the blue Convert Now button, and after a while, you will see it converting your text into speech. And after it is done, you just want to hit the blue Download Now button to download into your system. At this point, you want to head over to video.studio and you're going to see this screen. Click on the sign up button and it's pretty straightforward using Google. Automatically, you have 80 credits free per month for every Gmail account you use to sign up. So feel free to create as many Gmail accounts and sign up as much as possible. Now click on create video. As you can see, you can convert from your images to video by importing the set image and converting it. And you can also reference to video by importing an image and instructing the AI what you want the video output to be like. And finally, you also can just use text to video for the AI to have 100% control over your desired output. At this point, you want to go back to ChatGPT and copy the first ChatGPT text and paste it into the video.ai prompt box. And make sure to include 3D animations, Disney inspired and Disney style at the end of every prompt. Now hit create. Now in creation, this uses up 4 credits to create your desired result, and this is perfect for our video. As you can see, at this point you want to easily preview your video to make sure it is to your liking. Let's see what the AI can produce for us again. Okay, I think this is also good, although not as a 3D option, but it does remind me of the early Disney days of Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty kind of animation videos. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be going with the first option. So we go back to the top and click on upscale to make it a HD version of the generated video. And after this, you want to easily download this to your system. At this point, you want to head over to Canva and type in YouTube video into the home search bar. Click or select on any of the videos, as we are just going to be using the YouTube video dimension. Now inside the home page, go to uploads and select the upload files. At this point, you want to select the animated video from the video AI and the voiceover you generated from TTS Free and click on open. As these are downloading into your Canva interface, over to the app section and type in Lalamu into the search box, and it's going to display the Lalamu Studio. Now click on that, and you want to as well click on this Lalamu Studio as you can see on screen. Now click on open. At this point, you want to go over to the upload video section and click on choose file, and now select the file from your desktop. And next you want to go over to the upload audio section and choose the file again, and you want to easily select the desired audio from your desktop and open it as well. Hit generate lip sync video, and after a few minutes it will be generated promptly. And now you want to drag the video onto your home screen and make sure it fits the YouTube dimensions properly. And once it fits into your liking, you just want to hit the share button on the top right and download this into your system. In order to put all this together, open your Capcut video editor and select all the animated videos and the AI voiceover recorded and import into your Capcut. Now drag the voiceover onto your timeline and trim out all the sections of awkward silence. And after that is done, you want to gradually place the video over where they are fitted into the voiceover narration and repeat this until the entire clip fits with the voiceover perfectly. And after this, you want to add a fitting background music.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And it's advisable it is something that actually matches your theme. And after all this is done, you want to easily export the video. And this is our story.
Luca loved exploring the bamboo forest near his home. One bright morning, he set off on a new adventure, the tall bamboo swaying gently in the breeze. As he wandered deeper into the forest, Luca heard soft rustling. Curious, he followed the sound, stepping quietly between the tall bamboo stalks. Suddenly, Luca spotted something small and fluffy nestled in the bamboo, a baby panda. The little panda blinked up at him with wide, curious eyes. "Hi there," Luca whispered. The panda wobbled toward him, sniffing his hand with a little sneeze. Luca laughed, feeling an instant connection. The baby panda tumbled over a pile of leaves, and Luca quickly helped it up. "Do you want to play?" he asked. And the panda rolled happily at his feet. Luca and the panda chased each other through the forest, the panda's soft paws patting beside Luca's excited steps. They giggled and tumbled through the bamboo together. When the sun began to set, Luca knew it was time to go. "I'll visit again tomorrow."
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.